Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we all know that here we will be discussing many concepts related to your NCERT, right? NCERT 12th syllabus. We have been discussing many concepts of NCERT 12th syllabus, and in last video and in some previous video we were discussing about minors and cofactors. So in previous video we were discussing about minors and cofactors of your NCERT playlist, right? So I have also explained what is minor, what is cofactor, how to calculate minor and how to calculate cofactor, right? And also I have given the formula to calculate the cofactor. Now let us start with the exercise 4.4 and let's see how the problems can be solved. Okay, so write down minors and cofactors. First question is having two sub questions, right? So we should, for both the questions, we should write minors and cofactors. Okay, so let's solve it separately. Let determinant A is equal to 2 minus 4 0 3. Determinant A is equal to 2 minus 4 0 3. So what is minor? Minor is to be calculated for each and every terms or elements inside the determinant, right, or inside the matrix. So for whichever element you are calculating, you should leave that row and column, and by leaving that row and column, whatever determinant remains, whatever values will remain, that should be substituted in as the form of determinant, right? Then that determinant, if I solve, then I will get the value of minor. For example, 2. So in order to calculate the minor of 2, I should leave the row and column which is having 2. So 2 is there in first row and first column. So if I leave 2 first row and first column, I will be left with only 3. So determinant value of 3 will be 3 only, right? So M11, right, is equal to minor of 2, that is equal to determinant of 3, that is nothing but 3. M12 is equal to minor of minus 4, right? So minus 4 is there in first row and second column, so leave first row and second column. So that will be my determinant of 0, there is nothing but 0. M21, these are what? Minors, right? M21 is equal to minor of 0. So 0 is there in second row and first column. So if I leave second row and first column, what is left? Determinant of minus 4, that will be minus 4. So observe that this is not mod. So you should not think that mod of minus 4 should be taken as plus 4. It is not mod, it is determinant. So determinant of minus 4 is minus 4 only. Okay, then M22 is minor of 3. So there is nothing but leave the row and column containing 3. There is second row and second column. So determinant of 2, that will be 2 only. These are the minors. Now coming to cofactors. So as I said, cofactors are denoted by Aij, capital Aij. Also you can denote it by Cij, also capital Cij. So in some of the context, in some of the books, they refer it as Cij. But in NCERT, as usual our practice, we will refer it as Aij. Okay. So A11 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Right? It is the formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Right? So here A11 will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 2 into what is M11? 3. Okay. So minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1 into 3 is 3. So similarly A12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. So this is minus 1 to the power 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So M12 is what? 0. So this will be 0 into anything is 0. A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 m21, right? So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 1 to the power 3 into m21 is minus 4. Minus 1 to the power 3 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Then A22 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 m22. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is minus 1 to the power 4. Minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4. What is m22? Into 2. Okay, minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 2 is plus 2. Okay. This is how we need to calculate minors and cofactors. Okay, it will be easier, right, by solving this one also. Let's try this one. Okay. Here also, let determinant A is equal to A, C, B, D. Now minors. Minors are calculated for each and every element. For A, if I want to calculate, I should leave the row and column containing A, and remaining element should be expressed as determinant, and then I have to calculate that value of the determinant. Okay. So M11 is minor of A. M11 is what? Minor of A. There is nothing but minor of A is determinant. Leave this row and column containing A. What is there? D. So it's nothing but D only. Then M12 minor of C. So this is nothing but leave the row and column containing C. So that is nothing but B. Minor of B is B. M21 minor of B. So leave the row and column containing B. So represent everything in determinant. That will be determinant C. Value will be C. M22 is minor of D. So minor of D is leave the row and column containing D. Remaining you put it in determinant. This is determinant A. So remember, these are the determinants, not the mod. Okay. So next, cofactors. So A11, right? So A11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is minus 1 to the power 2, and M11 is D. So minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1. Plus 1 into D is D. Okay. A12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. So this is minus 1 to the power 3. M12 is what? B. So minus 1 to the power 3 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into B minus B. A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 1 to the power 3, and M21 is C. So minus 1 to the power 3 is what? Minus into plus is minus C. Okay. And A22 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So this is minus 1 to the power 4. M22 is what? A. So this is plus A. Minus 1 to the power 4 is what? Plus 1. Plus 1 into plus A will become plus A. So I hope you have understood the methodology to calculate the value of minors and cofactors. Right? So this is the method given in your NCERT book. You need to practice these things. So now take a moment, pause the video and make a note of this. Okay friends, so I hope you have understood the previous thing. So let's extend that knowledge to solve the 3 cross 3 determinant. Try to find the cofactors and minors for this 3 cross 3 determinant. Okay. Let determinant A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is our given determinant value. We need to find the value of minors and cofactors for this determinant. Okay, so minors. So what I said, minors, you need to calculate minors for each and every element of the determinant. That is, we having 9 elements here. So for 9 elements also we need to calculate the minor. So what we need to do here is, each and every element we have to calculate the minor by eliminating that particular end row and putting everything in the remaining every values on the determinant. Right? So M11 is minor of that is A11, that is 1. Okay, so minor of this 1, leave this row and column containing 1, that is first row and first column. Whatever remains, everything you should put it in determinant. 1 0 0 1. So what you will get here? 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0, that is 1. Next, M12 is minor of this particular 0. So leave the row and column containing this 0. This 0 is there in first row and second column. So if I eliminate first row and second column, what will be left? 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1. That is nothing but 0. Okay. Then M13 is minor of this 0. So leave the row containing this 0. That is third row and third column. So what will be left? 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 0. Nothing but 0. M21 is equal to minor of what? This 0. So leave the row and column containing 0. Second row and first column should be left. So if I leave second row and first column, what will be left? 0 0 0 1. There is nothing but 0. Then M22 is equal to minor of M22 is A22, minor of A22. A22 is 1. So leave the row and column containing 1. The second row and second column should be left. So if I leave second row and second column, 1 0 0 1 will be left to me. So it's nothing but 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0, that is nothing but 1. Okay. So let's take up this afterwards. Okay. So M22 I have calculated. M23. So M23 is what? 23 is what? Minor of this value. 23 is this 0, minor of this 0. Minor of 0 is what? Or directly we can write. So no issues. No need that you have to write it each and every time. If you understand, it's well and good. So minor of this 0. So leave the row and column containing 0. So second row and third column is left. So what are the elements remaining? 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 0. This is nothing but 0. Okay. So then M23 is over. M31. So M31 is minor of A31. That is minor of this 0. So leave the row and column containing this 0. That is third row and first column. If I leave third row and first column, what will be left? 0 0 1 0. determinant of 0, 0, 1, 0. So nothing but 0, right? So M32 is minor of this value. So this is there in third row and second column. So leave third row and second column. What is left? 1, 0, 0, 0. Nothing but 0. M33 is what? So minor of this value. So leave row and column containing this one. So third row and third column is left. What is remaining? 1, 0, 0, 1. So put them in determinant. Nothing but 1. Okay. So we have done with the minors. Now it's the time to calculate cofactors. Okay. So how to calculate cofactors? So we need to calculate cofactors. So cofactors are calculated based on the formula Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Right? So now, based on this we will calculate all the cofactors A11, A12, so on up to A33. A11 is what? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 is minus 1 to the power 2, that is plus 1. So plus 1 into minus 1 to the power 2 into M11 is what? M11 is 1. So this will be equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, A12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. So this is minus 1 to the power 3 into what is the M12? 0. So will be equal to 0. A13 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into M13. So minus 1 to the power 4 into M13 is what? 0. So will be equal to 0. A21 will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 to the power 3 into M21 is what? M21 is once again 0. So will be equal to 0. A22 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So it's nothing but minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 into what is M22? M22 is 1. So minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 1 is plus 1. A23 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into M23. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 is minus 1 to the power 5 into M23 is how much? M23 is 0. So nothing but equal to 0. A31 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 M31. So minus 1 to the power 4 into M31 is how much? 0. So will be equal to 0. A32 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into M32. Minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 is how much? 5 into M32. M32 is how much? 0. So the answer will be equal to 0. A33 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M33. Minus 1 to the power 6 into M33 is how much? 1. So minus 1 to the power 6 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 1 is plus 1. So this is how we need to calculate all the minors and cofactors. So once again you observe here, minor of M11 is 1. So cofactor of M11 also will be 1 because I plus j is even. I plus j is even. As I said, if I plus j is equal to even, then Mij is equal to Aij. If I plus j is equal to odd, Mij is equal to minus of Aij. Right? This is the thing you should always remember. See, 1 plus 1 in case of A11, I plus j is what? Even. So Mij should be equal to Aij. So M11 should be equal to A11. M11 is 1, A11 is 1. In case of 1 plus 2, it is odd. So it should be negative. M11 should be minus Aij. So 0, 0, you can consider that. Right? So 0, I'll write it better. Okay. So M13, 1 plus 3 is positive. So M13 should be equal to A13. 0 and 0, they are there. M21, so odd, 0 and 0 is there, no problem. Come to M22. M22, here we are having 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4. A22 should also be equal. It is even, so it will be equal. So and M33, 1 and 1. So you can see that whenever I plus j is even, so Mij will be equal to Aij. Whenever I plus j is odd, Mij will be equal to negative of Aij. That is what you should always keep in your mind. Okay. So the second problem, whatever was there, which I have written earlier, so you can try it for yourself. Right. So we'll stop the video here. So we have seen two problems. We have slowly, clearly we have solved them. So in next video, I'm going to tell you how to calculate the determinant value using cofactors of any of the row or any of the column. So for now, for this time, it's sufficient, more than sufficient. You follow the rules and then you will get the values of minus and cofactors. Right. So the second part of this one, so you can try it by yourself. That you can take as a work in your home. Okay. So let's stop the video here. Take care. Goodbye.